Today's lesson is on future continuous tense. So what is a future continuous tense? It is a verb tense that expresses a future action, an action that will start in the future and progress for a while. The future continuous tense is also called the future progressive tense. It talks about an action that will happen at a particular time in the future and will progress for a while. A sentence in the future continuous tense will have the helping verb will be and the main verb ending in ing. So if the main verb is sing, it becomes singing, dance, dancing, listen, listening, watch, watching, and so on. Let's look at some example sentences. I will be listening to the evening news at 6 by the time you get home. So this sentence shows two actions that will take place. Somebody will be listening to the evening news and somebody will be arriving home. The verb will be shows that the sentence is in the future continuous tense in addition to the verb listen ending in ing to become listening. Let's take a look at another example of a future continuous tense sentence. He will be watching his favorite movie on his laptop after school. It's also in the future continuous tense. The verb will be is present. The verb watch becomes watching, which makes the whole combination a sentence in the future continuous tense, something that will be taking place in the future and that will continue for a while. Another example of future continuous tense, he will be eating his lunch by the time his mom arrives at the school. An action will already be in progress before another action happens. So he will already be eating by the time his mom arrives. They shall be building houses and offices in every available space. The city is fast changing. Shall be can also be used when talking in the future continuous tense. We can use shall be or will be in addition to the ing verb. So shall be building shows this sentence is in the future continuous tense. All right, let's look at a few examples of how future continuous tense differs from simple future tense. This sentence is in the future continuous tense. He will be teaching music in his class next week. Will be teaching shows it's in the future continuous tense. It's continuous action that will happen in the future. The same sentence in the simple future tense will be he will teach music in his class next week. No ing added to the main verb teach. It will be teach, and no will be, so just will teach. Let's look at some examples of how to use not, N-O-T, when speaking in the future continuous tense. They will not be going to school tomorrow. So usually when using not, N-O-T, it will come between will and be. Will not be. They will not be going to school tomorrow. So this sentence is in the future continuous tense. Another example, they will not be working at the office tomorrow. Asking questions in the future continuous tense. Will they be working at the office tomorrow? The pronoun they comes between will and be. Will I be going to school tomorrow? So the pronoun usually comes between will and be when asking questions in the future continuous tense that starts with will.
Please subscribe to the channel and come back for more lessons. Thank you.